The shrimp is ready, ready to eat, baby. And so with this shrimp, I'm gonna also show you something else that you can do with it, because you can also turn that lovely shrimp into a meal. So I'm gonna show you how I turn this into a meal. I have some potatoes here that I cooked and I'm mashing them right now. So I'm gonna show you how to turn that cayenne shrimp into a beautiful mashed potato cayenne shrimp meal. Okay. So we got some mashed potatoes here. Stack that up on your plate as much as you like. Stack that up on a plate. Just like that. Then you can add as much shrimp as you want to this dish right here. Just like that. And since we don't have any cooked vegetables to accompany this dish, we can put some tomatoes on it. So I'm just gonna put some sliced tomatoes with this dish. Just like that. Set it up beautiful. A sprig of parsley. Always make it beautiful, because as you and I know, we started heating with the eyes first. Once the eyes see that beauty, the appetite is ready to digest it. And of course, a piece of lemon doesn't hurt. The shrimp is ready.